Welcome to the Microsoft 365 with AI Integration Certification Program. This professional cloud productivity and AI automation program is designed for the modern digital workplace. The course is offered in a classroom and hands-on labs format, with a duration of 3 to 5 months, focusing on automation and Copilot AI. This course is essential as most organizations operate in cloud-based office environments. It will train you to master the Microsoft 365 ecosystem for collaboration, data management, and business automation. You will learn document creation, presentation design, data analysis with Excel, and AI Copilot integration. The course is suitable for students, graduates, business managers, entrepreneurs, and job seekers. No prior coding knowledge is required. The workplace is rapidly moving towards cloud-first environments, hybrid teams, and reliance on data-driven decisions and AI assistants like Copilot. This course prepares you for key business applications like reporting, sales, HR, and finance. Microsoft 365 proficiency is consistently a top hard skill requested in administrative and management jobs globally. The course includes 11 core modules with hands-on practice. Modules cover digital workplace fundamentals, Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, all with AI Copilot features. You will also cover Outlook, Teams collaboration, and cloud storage management. The final modules focus on Power Automate, Microsoft Copilot and AI prompting, and a real industry project. Module 02 focuses on Microsoft Word with AI. You will learn Word fundamentals, including formatting, citations, and review tools. The AI integration segment covers smart drafting, rewriting and polishing, auto-summarizing, and content transformation. The module culminates in an industry project to create a professional business proposal. Microsoft Excel with AI. Module 3, Data Analysis, Visualization, and Business Intelligence. This module covers Excel mastery, AI integration with Copilot, and an industry project. Module 4 focuses on Microsoft PowerPoint with AI, impactful presentations in visual storytelling. We will explore core design features, AI integration with Copilot, including outline to deck and designer features, and an industry project creating a startup pitch presentation. Modules 5 and 6 cover Outlook and Teams collaboration, focusing on streamlining business communication. We will examine core features for both applications and AI Copilot capabilities such as drafting emails, real-time transcription, and generating meeting summaries. The applied project involves a virtual team simulation. Modules 7, 8, and 9 focus on storage, forms, and automation. We will cover OneDrive and SharePoint essentials, Forms and Power Automate features, and Copilot integrations like drafting reports and intelligent search. The integrated workflow is an automated feedback system using Forms, Power Automate, and SharePoint. The course concludes with 5 real industry projects for portfolio building. These hands-on projects include a cloud document management system, a sales performance dashboard, an AI-assisted business report, a team collaboration workspace, and an automated office workflow. The course covers a wide range of tools, including Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint, Forms, Power Automate, and Microsoft Copilot. It is designed for students, graduates, office executives, business professionals, managers, entrepreneurs, and job seekers seeking comprehensive mastery of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. This course unlocks high-demand roles like office administrator, data analyst, business analyst, and office automation specialist. You will stand out with portfolio projects, experience with real business process automation, AI-enabled productivity using Copilot, and collaboration mastery, giving you a competitive career edge. Estimated annual compensation in India varies by experience level. Freshers can expect Rupee 2.5 to 4 lakhs, professionals Rupee 4 to 8 lakhs, and senior-level roles Rupee 8 to 15 lakhs. Freelancers can earn 2,000 rupees 10K per project for tasks like custom dashboards and workflow automation. Upon completion, you will confidently work in cloud environments, analyze data with Excel, automate workflows with Power Automate, and manage secure documents in Microsoft 365. You will also leverage Microsoft Copilot AI and collaborate effectively using Teams and SharePoint.